In this video, we'll show you how to use our premium tattoo paper for a flawless design. First, start by printing your favorite pattern. Once that is done, stick the transfer film on top and feed it into your cutting machine to cut out the design. After that, peel off the backing and place the pattern onto your arm. Use a wet towel to gently press down for just a few seconds, and then peel away the transfer paper. Your stunning design is not perfectly transferred onto your skin, unlike other tattoo papers. Our quality ensures your pattern stays sharp and vibrant. Get ready to show off your new tattoo.